Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights.
I will save energy. I will save energy.
Don't slam the door. Don't slam the door.
I will close it gently. I will close it gently.
Take your shoes off at the door. Take your shoes off at the door.
All right, I will do that. All right, I will do that.
Help your neighbors. Help your neighbors.
I will help out. I will help out.
Keep your promises. Keep your promises.
I will, Mom. I will, Mom.
Cover your mouth when you sneeze. Cover your mouth when you sneeze.
I will do that. I will do that.
Finish your chores. Finish your chores.
I will do them now. I will do them now.
Don't make fun of others. Don't make fun of others.
I will be nice. I will be nice.
Apologize when you're wrong. Apologize when you're wrong.
I will say sorry. I will say sorry.
Wait your turn. Wait your turn.
I will be patient. I will be patient.
Respect your elders. Respect your elders.
I will be polite. I will be polite.
Use your inside voice. Use your inside voice.
I will speak quietly. I will speak quietly.
Be on time. Be on time.
I will try, Mom. I will try, Mom.
Give compliments. Give compliments.
I will be kind. I will be kind.
Find a hobby. Find a hobby.
I will find one. I will find one.
Organize your desk. Organize your desk.
I will keep it tidy. I will keep it tidy.
Don't interrupt. Don't interrupt.
I will wait my turn. I will wait my turn.
Say hello to new people. Say hello to new people.
I will make friends. I will make friends.
Wash behind your ears. Wash behind your ears.
I will stay clean. I will stay clean.
Check your spelling. Check your spelling.
I will be careful. I will be careful.
Say please and thank you. Say please and thank you.
Okay, Mom. I will remember. Okay, Mom. I will remember.
Don't play with your food. Don't play with your food.
I will eat properly. I will eat properly.
Use a tissue. Use a tissue.
I will keep clean. I will keep clean.
Hold on to the railing. Hold on to the railing.
I will stay safe, Mom. I will stay safe, Mom.
Don't stare. Don't stare.
I know, Mom. I know, Mom.
Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect.
I will keep practicing. I will keep practicing.
Say goodbye before you leave. Say goodbye before you leave.
I won't forget. I won't forget.
Share your toys. Share your toys.
I will share, Mom. I will share, Mom.
Hold the door open. Hold the door open.
I will do that. I will do that.
Eat your breakfast. Eat your breakfast.
I will, Mom. I will, Mom.
Say, excuse me. Say, excuse me.
I will remember. I will remember.
Speak clearly. Speak clearly.
I will try. I will try.
Use your napkin. Use your napkin.
I will, Mom. I will, Mom.
Brush your hair. Brush your hair.
I will look nice. I will look nice.
Read a book. Read a book.
I will read more. I will read more.
Clean your glasses. Clean your glasses.
I will make sure. I will make sure.
Respect privacy. Respect privacy.
I will knock first. I will knock first.
Say, yes, please, or no, thank you. Say, yes, please, or no, thank you.
I will be polite. I will be polite.
Be mindful of others. Be mindful of others.
I will be aware. I will be aware.
Think before you speak. Think before you speak.
I will choose my words. I will choose my words.
Try new foods. Try new foods.
I will try, Mom. I will try, Mom.
Dress appropriately. Dress appropriately.
I will dress well. I will dress well.
Mind your table manners. Mind your table manners.
I will eat nicely. I will eat nicely.
Be a good listener. Be a good listener.
I will listen well. I will listen well.
Be thankful. Be thankful.
I will remember, Mom. I will remember, Mom.
Wear clean clothes. Wear clean clothes.
I will stay fresh. I will stay fresh.
Smile more often. Smile more often.
I will smile, Mom. I will smile, Mom.